I'm Sarah and this is my partner Alexis, and today we will be showing you how to make a plant in a jar and what will happen after 3 weeks.
First, you need to get some materials to make the plant in a jar.
You will need a plant that's already sprouted, some tape, water, a jar and pebbles, and soil.
I will go through the process of what you need to do to make the plant in a jar. First, you need to put your pebbles in the bottom of the jar, like we already did. Then, you need to get your soil and put a little layer on the bottom. Then, you will need to cut open the plastic part of the plant, if necessary, and then pull out the plant. Then, while you hold the plant, you put more soil around the sides.
Get the plant in the right spot so that it will have a good place to grow.
Then you need to water the plant a little bit with, depending on the plant, about 50 to 100 milliliters of water. Then you need to put the lid on. Then you need to put tape around it.
To make sure that it stays closed.
Make sure it is on securely.
Finally, you need to watch it grow for 3 weeks without opening the jar. But don't worry, there will be transpiration going on, so it won't run out of anything. Let it stay in the light for those weeks and watch it grow.
But how does the plant not run out of water, carbon dioxide, and oxygen?
Well, this is when transpiration comes in.
So what is transpiration, Sarah?
Transpiration is a process that plants go through. First, there are tiny little roots underneath the soil. They are connected to the plant, and when it rains or it gets water, all the water gets sucked up to the roots. The water travels through the branches into the leaves. Then there are tiny little pores on the leaves called stoma or stomata, and they release water through evaporation.
Now I get what transpiration is, but how do they get their food?
Well, this is a different process.
I've heard the word photosynthesis before. Is that what it's called?
Do you know what it does?
No.
Photosynthesis is how the plant gets food. The plant takes in water, sunlight, and carbon dioxide to make food and give off oxygen.
But if they're giving off oxygen, aren't they going to lose it?
This is called respiration. What happens is at night time when it's dark out, the plant breathes in oxygen and gives off carbon dioxide because they are doing this process. The oxygen keeps getting recycled so it will never run out.
Now I get it. Now I know that my plant will for sure stay alive in the jar.